Hi you guys, in today's video we are going to be doing this very easy signature makeup look that you can do for any occasion and every occasion. It looks very simple, very basic. It hardly takes like 10 minutes to create this or even less. So if you are someone that thinks that this is something that you'd be interested to see, then definitely keep on watching. So I'm prepping my skin up with moisturizer and foundation, and I forgot to shoot that, so I'm sorry. I've used the Sugar foundation in the shade 15. Now I'm going in with the Sugar crayon, which is in a very pink mauvey cute shade, and I love the way it feels on my skin. It's very easy to blend and it works great on Indian skin. That's what I personally feel. So I take it on my nose and the apples of my cheek, and I basically start blending it in. As you can see, it gives my skin such a good flush of color and it looks very natural, as if your cheeks look like that already. And it's very easy to blend as well. You can use a brush or a beauty blender. I'm personally that kind of a person who goes for a beauty blender anytime. Later on, I take the same excess on my chin and also on my forehead, because that's just the way I like it. Next up, we're going in with the contour palette and conceal palette from Makeup Revolution. As you can see, I do it only on the depths of my cheeks, the hollow parts of my cheeks. You can always take it from the top of your ear and make your way through it. It looks really nice and it works great for anyone that's interested to contour or give that shadow on your shadow on your face. It also needs to be done on your forehead so that your forehead looks a little small, because I have like a huge forehead as per what people tell me. I take the highlighting shade on the same palette and dig it on my nose. It just makes me look really nice. I mean, I don't want to go like all in with that glow, the highlight, giving it a very dewy sort of effect. It just looks very natural and very pretty. Next up, we're going to go in with the Sugar palette. This is one of my favorite palettes from Sugar. It's a very pigmented and it has the mauvey burgundy shades, and the shimmer is very pigmented. So we're going to work with it and create a nice depth on your crease, and you want to blend it seamlessly so that there's no trace of any issues whatsoever. You want to work your way through it, making it look very natural, and you don't want to go like too overboard with the color. Make your way through it, take your own sweet time, because it's going to last for the whole day basically. I'm using a basic fluffy brush, blending brush, for putting it all across my crease. Next up, we are going to do the same color on the under eye as well, so that the whole look kind of sums together and looks very natural and good. Once we're done doing the entire thing on our eyes and our under eyes, you want to make sure that it's completely flawlessly blended on your eyes. I'm going to go in with the light shimmer shade that has a sort of sheen to it, and it's not too extra. It looks really natural and very nice, with that pop of shine on your lids, which just pops up when you're in sunlight or when you're indoors. So you want to use that and do your makeup. It's a very nice shade, a very neutral shade that you can use for mauvey this. Next up, I'm going in with the K by Katrina's eyeliner and using my contour palette. This is something which I've been doing recently and it works really well. So what I do is I do the eyeliner just on the inner part of my eyelid, and I use the contour palette. I dig my eyeliner pen in it and I start blending the eyeliner all across my lid, making it look like a shadow. But I don't take the eyeliner all across till the very end of my eyes, so it just creates like a shadow, and then I use my contour to sort of blend it in and give it a nice shadow shade. And trust me, it looks very, very pretty, very natural, and very nice on your eyelids. Next step is my Fix Plus. So I cannot do without my Fix Plus. It is the only one thing that makes my face look really, really nice. So you don't want to, miss on that, because it's very natural. It looks amazing and gives you that flush, gives you that glow on your skin. It seeps the entire makeup in, and that's what you exactly want. If you guys have been following me for some time, you know that I absolutely love the AMORE matte lipsticks from Milani Cosmetics. They are my absolute favorite. They're very, very pigmented and so creamy on the lips. You don't even need to go toe swaps into it. It just looks beautiful on my skin tone, especially. I'm an NC40, so if you're someone around the shade, it will suit you perfectly. It's a perfect nude, warm, a little bit of pink, coral sort of a shade. It's the perfect shade anyone and everyone needs to have in their vanity. I will highly recommend this shade. It's in the shade 12. It's a beautiful liquid lipstick, and it stays all day. Like, you do not need to touch it up as well. It looks beautiful on your skin. I will highly recommend it. As you can see, I start blending the shade on my lips. I start puffing it in, and I take the excess amount of it and put it on my cheeks so that the color is sort of blended in, and it just goes completely with the look. That's what I always do. I take a little bit of lipstick and start blending it on my cheeks, because that's just the way I like it. So that's something I do always, and it just works really well with me. And next up, what my favorite thing to do is put on a good goddamn mascara. I will never ever miss on mascara, and my current favorite is the K by Katrina's volume mascara. There is nothing like it. I have used many mascaras, and I highly recommend it. It's one of the most voluminous mascaras that don't clog your eyelashes together. It gives you the depth, it gives you the volume just exactly how you need it. You always need to remove the excess, because that's how great it will look without it. And I do it on my upper lash line and my lower lashes as well. And as you can see, the difference on both the eyes is commendable. It looks so good. Like, what else do you need? It looks so beautiful. And you always want to remove excess, because otherwise your eyelashes might clog together. And once it's done, I take the Wet n Wild transparent eyelash mascara, and I start to work with my eyebrows. It just gives my eyebrows a very foxy kind of a vibe. And I also put it on my lashes if I can see that they're sort of clogged or a little here and there. And then you can see that my look is kind of complete. It looks very natural, very everyday sort of a look, which you can wear like on an everyday basis, or you can wear this to college, you can wear this to any function as well. It's very minimal and very basic, yet very out there, and I will highly recommend you doing this makeup tutorial. Definitely hit the subscribe button and push the notification bell so you get updates every time I upload a video. And you might want to comment down if you liked it or no. You can follow me on my Instagram, because I'm most active there, and I will see you soon. Bye.